In this video, you'll learn how to add a new business location in Square, step by step. First, open the Settings menu from the sidebar. Next, select Account Settings. Then choose the About section to manage your business information. Click on Create Location to start setting up a new business address in your Square account. Now that you're on this page, you'll need to fill out the location form by entering all the required business details. First, enter your location business name. Then, add your location nickname and add by a description of your business. Now, fill in the address details by selecting the Address Line 2 field. Enter the postal code and provide your email address to complete the key location information. Next, add your website contact information. You can enter your website name here, then add your Facebook, Instagram, and X accounts as well. Next, add your branding details. And add your business hours, including your time zone. Next, set your business regular hours by selecting the Monday checkbox. Here, you can set your business opening and closing hours. Next, select your preferred language. Then, scroll down and choose your location. And finally, click Save to confirm your new location and update your business settings in Square. That's it! You've now added a new location in Square.